welcome to the laid back mat. For this short tutorial, Yogito and I are going to take you in different direction, and we're gonna see about getting a different perspective on things. So we're familiar, maybe not, with what is around us. Let's find something we haven't seen before, and maybe discover something within ourselves. Maybe, why not? Big inhale up, fingertip up, baby back bend. Exhale, forward fold. Bend your knees, bring your tummy towards your leg. Look up, high. Inhale, bring your bum up. Neck is relaxed, arms are relaxed. Just breathe. Breathe between my breathing cues, please do. Bend the knees again, bring your tummy to your legs. We're gonna float this party. Inhale, press in your feet, come back up. Hands towards each other. Exhale to one side, bend the knees. Hands keep them going down. Big circle with the hand. Inhale on the way back, legs are parallel with each other. And exhale, hands to heart. Other side. Inhale, fingertip come up. Exhale, big circle. Maybe it's a small circle too. Take the circle your body wants to take. That feels so good. And exhale your hands to your heart. Big circle twice each way. Inhale up, exhale. Bend the knees. Make your circle as big or as little as you wish. And both sides don't have to be the same. If you did big one side and the other side said no, well, make it smaller. Listen to your body. Look at Yogito. He doesn't feel like doing it right now, and it's perfectly good. Practicing Shavasana, that's good, right? Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, pop your chest, and exhale, arms to the side, back in your mountain pose. Inhale, look around you, spot something you haven't seen before. Exhale, come back down, bend your knees. Look behind you, find something you haven't seen, or maybe it looks different because it's upside down. Press in your feet. Inhale, back up. Exhale, hands to heart. I hope you enjoy this little yoga tutorial. This is the laid back mat. Thank you and namaste. Yeah, good. You did real good. Yes, you always do real good. Yes, Yogito.